Well, all right, welcome back to Hotor's Chronicles, where we go on this journey called life together. Well, guess what, you all? Just a quick thought. I said, hey, maybe some people don't know how to tell when this gun is loaded. Well, first off, let's make sure we are safe and want to make sure that we do that. And that's how you can see that is at one, you can see nothing loaded here, as well as nothing in the actual barrel. So you can see down the barrel right there, right? So you can see those things right off the bat. Okay, so it's safe, and also you can see that it's also on safe, that this is now is not on fire, right? So you can see it's on safe, so the black side is open. So you see that. Also, anytime you hold it, anything, you want to keep it away, pointing in a safe direction. So I want to make sure that's 100% clear. You okay? So what we're talking about today is, how do you know that this is indeed empty? Well, let's talk about that and let's see what's going on here. First off, look at the back side here of this round, 12 gauge shotgun round. So you see how it has some type of metal, right? So that's one thing you want to look at and know, because what you can see and tell, obviously there's nothing there, right? Inside the barrel, you can see that. But another way to know that it's nothing, is not only not loaded, but it's clear, is that, you see the back side here? That's what you have to push in order for the round to go in to the tube in order to store it, right? And then also through the action, it pushes it here and then goes through and be ready for you to fire. So as you can see, as long as you can see this, and sometimes some people change this to a red color or some other color that you can obviously see a little bit better. But that right there, this piece shows that there's absolutely nothing inside of the chamber. Whereas if you had you'll see this instead, okay? So you can see that right there. So I just wanted you to see exactly how you can tell if a pump action shotgun is loaded. So you will see this will go inside, and what you see is the back side of this right here. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean, okay? So as you can see right there, totally clear. See that? So when you load it, you just take it, push it in. And now what you see the back side of that round. So just one quick way of showing you, hey, how can I tell that this is indeed unloaded? So what I'm going to do is eject it. And now you can see the difference again. So again, nothing there. And also it's back there. So that one round is totally ejected and we're clear. And again, you can see the black, so that means it's on safe. So we want to make sure that we always maintain our safety rules. But go ahead, take a look. Let me know what you think. Feel free to add a thought in a comment. And hey, if you like what you see, please like the video, share, and subscribe.